Hey guys, Donnie here, and thanks for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, this time I am actually doing a giveaway to show my appreciation to all you subscribers out there. Thank you so much for all your support. Your comments are so awesome. You guys have been so kind. I just want to start giving away some of this stuff now. So this time I'm going to do the Eachine. This is the Windmill. It's the E014. If you guys haven't seen it already, I'll leave a link to the video of doing a review on this, you guys. The only thing I didn't do was do a controller review. I was gonna do a part 2 to this, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. Maybe you guys will be able to make that video. But the cool thing about this giveaway is that I'm gonna do it international. The only thing that I do ask from you guys is if you can help me out by paying half of the shipping. So if you're okay with that, then leave me a comment down below saying that you know, you want to go and try to win this thing. You know, so if you're out of the USA, please, that's all I ask is help out with the shipping. If you don't want to do that or you think you can't do that, then just don't leave a comment. You know, that's the only thing I do ask, because it gets really expensive sending outside the U.S., especially when this is coming from me personally. If it was something that I was buying off of GearBest or Banggood, then yeah, I could send it out. It'd probably be even cheaper. I may do that sometime in the future, you guys. You know, find something pretty cool and send it out to you guys. But this is going to be one of several. I'm going to do this one in quite a few more giveaways. So, but at least I want to get everybody internationally, get you guys something and say thank you. I will have another giveaway coming up that is sponsored, but that giveaway is going to be USA and Canada only. So I'm sorry about that, but that's where the warehouse is for Amazon. It's in the US, and they can send out as far as Canada. But this is on me, you guys. So like I said, rules are for this is, you know, I appreciate it if you are a subscriber. You know, I'm not going to hold you back if you are or not. But I would appreciate it if you do subscribe. But if you're not, that's fine. You know, show some support. I love it, you know. So just leave me the comment saying that you want to win a drone if you're willing to pay half of the shipping outside of the U.S., okay? So anyways, that's what I can offer. You know, I wish I could pay the full coverage, but it is quite expensive, but I'm willing to pay half. So anyways, this is the Windmill. This one's got the 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp battery. It's 5 minutes flyer, optical flow. I do recommend for it to be indoors only. You guys, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the descriptions of my review on this, so that way you can see how it works, how it functions. So if you are the winner, you can see how to operate this thing. But everything's here, you guys. I've only flown it, I think, once, maybe twice, if that. So it's like brand new. So this was actually from Banggood a while back. So it's a pretty cool little Eachine. It's Wi-Fi FPV. So, you know, you guys can enjoy that. So anyways, the deadline's going to be at least before the 31st. 31st, so I'm going to do the drawing. I'm just going to do that comment selector. It's going to select, you know, someone's name out of the comment. I'm hoping that you guys are going to be a subscriber. I really would appreciate that. Also, if you can, check out my Instagram. I'll leave links. All my links are down below. Instagram, Facebook, my Facebook groups, things like that. You know, it's not mandatory to do that. I know a lot of people ask of all that, and they ask for you to subscribe, things like that. But, you know, I'm not going to do that, you know. And I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of you guys that's never even seen my channel is just going to come on here just to try to win a drone. Have at it, you know. I'm hoping it's one of you subscribers, though, because a lot of you guys have been awesome. You know, I just get so much support from you guys. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't from all my supporters. You know, I'm coming up on 3,000 subscribers and never thought I'd even be there. So I do thank you guys so much. Getting closer to 1 million views, which is amazing. And it's all because of you guys. So, but I am going to do subscriber appreciation on the other ones. It will, the other giveaways as we get into better drones. You know, I will have, I may do that program, you know, that asks you to subscribe, things like that. I may check into that program instead of the comment selector. So, but there's going to be a lot more giveaways now, you guys. You know, and there's going to be a lot more better things. So definitely stay tuned. That's why I asked you if you want to subscribe. I would subscribe. That way you can hit the notifications and see what's coming, because I do have a sponsor one coming up pretty soon. It's going to be by Tenergy. So definitely hit that notification so you can win something. It's going to be actually, I think I'm going to give away 2 or 3 drones on that giveaway as well. So definitely you want to be subscribed then. That way you know when that giveaway is happening. So it'll probably be within either the end of this month or into the beginning of next month. But it will happen. And then I'm going to have some more personal giveaways for my own inventory. So anyways, guys, all right, 31st, you know, there ain't no time set. It'll probably be when I get off of work. I'll go and do, you know, the random selector, and then I'll try to go and post the video as soon as I can on the 31st, or it'll definitely be, you know, 31st will be the cutoff. If I'll try to get the video out on the 31st in my evening time, since I'm Pacific time, USA, in California here. But if not, it will definitely be on the 1st, April Fool's. So, but it won't be April Fool's. I'll definitely have the winner ready to go, and then I'll have you guys go and email me. The winner will email me, and I'll give you more directions once the winner's selected. So we'll figure out a way contacting with each other. That way I know it's actually you and someone else not using or duplicating your profile. So, all right, guys. Hey, thanks a million. You know, keep watching. I got so much stuff coming up. So a lot of new things. Got some really cool stuff coming. So, all right, guys. Enough of your time. Appreciate it. Like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying. Directions will be right in the description, so look for that. Stay tuned for the giveaway. All right, 31st, guys. Stay tuned.